Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to check wallet compatibility in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. To check wallet compatibility, follow this step to ensure that your desired cryptocurrency or feature is supported. Check supported cryptocurrency. Unstoppable Crypto Wallet supports a wide range of cryptocurrency. To see if it is a specific cryptocurrency is compatible, open the application on your device and log in using your credential. Here, go to the Markets tab and search for the cryptocurrency you want to search. If it appears in the list, it is supported by the wallet. You can also check the token compatibility. You can also check blockchain network compatibility. Unstoppable Crypto Wallet is compatible with multiple blockchain networks like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Smart Chain, and others. To check if a particular blockchain is supported, visit the network section. Look for the blockchain network, that is Ethereum, Binance, to confirm the compatibility. You can also check DApp and Web3 compatibility. Open the DApp browser and enter the URL of the app you want to connect. If compatible, the app will load and you can interact with it through the wallet. Unstoppable Crypto Wallet is available both for Android and iOS. Ensure you are using a device that meets the app system requirement by visiting App Store or Google Play Store and checking the device compatibility listed. Visit the official Unstoppable Crypto Wallet website or documentation to check for a complete list of supported features, token, and network. If you are still unsure about wallet compatibility with a particular feature, cryptocurrency, or device, contact Unstoppable Crypto Wallet support for clarification. Go to your home page and click on the settings icon, which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, scroll down to the bottom of this page and you will see Contact Us button. Click on it to contact Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. By following these steps, you can easily check if Unstoppable Crypto Wallet is compatible with the cryptocurrency, tokens, network, and features you need. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.